All right, so on a problem like this one, and again, if you guys need more time, just keep working on it, okay? But we should be able to use just two principles of equality to solve it. Now, from that last section, 2.3, we know that we should only be looking to make zeros and ones, right? Because in the end, what I really would like to see is 1x equals something, okay? So we know we need to create a 1 there. But before we make ones, we usually make zeros. To put this a different way, okay? What we want to do to start out with is to make the x's on their own side of the equal sign. Or, to put it even different, it's to isolate the x's. Okay, that's one way they'll say it sometimes in other videos. So I don't want 2x plus 4. I want to make this right now just 2x. That isolates the x's. Well, what that means is I need to change that plus 4 into a 0, right? I'm manipulating that plus 4 into 0. Well, how do I make a positive 4 a 0? Bam, just subtract it from itself. Now again, what I do to one side of the equal sign, I got to do to the other side of the equal sign. So I'm using this upside down T method. Not that you have to, but 10 minus 4 is 6, right? So 2 times something is 6. So that was 0 right there. That created that 0 for us. It's a phantom 0. I don't have to look at it. I don't have to see it. Not out of hatred, but just because it's math, okay? So I've got 2 times something equals 6, but I don't want 2 times x. I want 1x. How do I make a 1 from a 2? Just divide it by itself. Anything divided by itself is 1. Just remember, if you do it to one side, you got to do the other side, okay? So 6 divided by 2 is 3. Now this should be my answer, right? Because I got 1x equals something. And 2 divided by 2 is where that 1 came from, right? That's that 1 right there. But just like we went over in that last section is, once you get an answer like this, please take the 10 to 15 seconds. If you're slow at typing, maybe it takes a minute, but I know some of you guys are really good at texting. You guys can really make your phones, I mean, we can see the smoke coming off your phones, but just take a minute and just type this into a calculator just to check, okay? So what that would mean is that, right, it was 2x, but now we say x is 3, so it's 2 times 3 plus 4. Just make sure that this does equals 10. So 2 times 3 is 6, plus 4 is 10. Does 10 equal 10? Yeah, that's true. So again, now that I know this is true, I can box this in with a lot more confidence. And I can feel pretty good about it on a test, okay? And again, I'll emphasize this also is it's not required that you show this work right here, but I highly recommend, this is the sign of a very good problem solver, is where you guys actually do it and do show the work. So I recommend that you do, but again, it's not required that you do it.